Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to tell you best swing trading stocks for next week. That is for the week from 25th to 29th January 2021. First stock which I have selected is Bharti Airtel. On weekly chart, we can see that the level of 575, which was previously a resistance level, now could become a support level. Look at the volume for this week's bearish candle. The volumes have not increased at all, which means that this is just a correction. If I go to daily chart, we can spot multiple long week candles on support level. Every single time price has shown willingness to go down, it has resulted in longer wick, and this long wick is going to give lots of confidence to buyers, and buyers are going to come in with decent quantity, and we can see levels up to 610, which is high of this particular candle. If I take you to 15-minute chart, we can see similar thing happening. More so, we can see a channel pattern, a channel is being developed here, and price is moving back and forth between that. So we are ready to take buy order above 580 in Bharti Airtel for next week of swing trading. Second stock which I have selected for next week of swing trading is Cipla. Just see the weekly chart here. The level of 800 was previously a resistance level, and looks like from this bearish candle and along with diminishing volume, this can become a support level for next week. I am going to go to daily chart here. Just see how many long wick candles we can spot around the level of 800 to 805, which means that price can reverse and we can see levels up to 850, which is high of this bullish and bearish candle. If I go to 15-minute chart, you can see that the lower level is acting as an attractive zone for buyers to take entry in, resulting in stronger bullish candle here. See, this we can call a pole and this is a flag. And if price goes above 810, we can see huge bullish momentum. Third stock which I have selected is Tata Steel. Similarly to our two previous stocks, the level of 645 was previously a resistance level. Now it could become a support level, looking at this bearish candle with the long, not long wick, but the wick and diminishing volume here. Let me show that to you. This is volume activity for this week, and it has been diminishing every single day. I am going to go to daily chart here and see how many long wick candles we can found here. There are multiple long wick candles. Every time price has shown tendency to go down, it has resulted in wick on the support level, which means that above the market price of 651 we can expect reversal, and reversal can go as high as 700 or even more than that. Based on my analysis, I have chalked out the levels that you can see in front of you. I have given 5 targets and the entry level is specified. As you can see, do not tweak the entry level regarding target or stop loss. If you can analyze stock, then you can set your own stop loss and target. But regarding entry level, try to follow what I have given it. If you have any question, you can ask me in comment box. I am going to share this call in my Telegram channel. Link can be found in the description box. Thank you for watching.